Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is the last question from the June 2023 exam. Hey, we made it. All right, so this is a word problem, and sometimes the questions are a little tricky, but some of them, sometimes the word problems are pretty straightforward. And once you've done a couple of them, they're pretty similar. And this is one of those. And I'm hoping on Tuesday, June 4th, that we have one like this. So it says Dana went shopping for plants to put in the garden. She bought 3 roses. She bought 2 daisies for $31.88. Later that day, she went back. She bought 2 roses and 1 daisy for $18.92. If R represents the cost of 1 rose, and let's go 1 rose, and D stands for the cost of 1 daisy, write a system of equations. So basically, we're going to have 2 equations, and they're both going to have R and D in it. And once we get that, that's going to be 2 points. Now, the easiest way to do it is, since R stands for rows, anywhere that you see rows, you're going to replace with R. So, all right, and then anywhere that has daisies, you're going to put in a D. So our equations are going to just be what we got here. So I'm going to write them in black. It's going to be 3R plus 2D is equal to $31.88. And then the second equation is going to be 2R plus 1D is equal to $18.92. Now, first of all, if they give you R and D, you have to use their letters. You can't just switch it to X and Y. Now, when we solve this by graphing, we're going to use X and Y. But when we write down the equations, they have to be as R and D. Otherwise, we lose points. So this would be 2 points. Now, it says solve algebraically. We're not solving it algebraically. We're going to graph it, and we're going to just write our answer. It's going to be R equals, and it's going to be D equals. So let's go find it. So now we got 2 equations. They're not functions, so we're going to graph them as relations. So let's go do that. Now, this was from the last problem that I used to graph on. This has the inequality stuff. I'm going to get rid of this, menu 14. And now I'm just going to put tab, and I'm going to type in the first one. It's going to be 3X. The X stands for roses, plus 2Y. The Y stands for daisies, equals $31.88. Boom, got it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the next equation in. It's 2X plus 1Y equals 1892. Oops, I forgot to put the decimal. So boom, there we go. Now, so those are my 2 equations. I'm just going to grab the graph paper, and I'm going to bring these down because I need this intersection. So I'm going to do menu 64. Anytime you have more than one function or one relation, you always, most of the time, you're going to use menu 64. So $5.96, that's how much a rose costs. And $7 is how much a daisy costs. All right, so that's what we put here. So we'll get 1 point for this if we write those 2 answers. And now let's go get the last couple. It said if Dana waited until the plants were on sale, she would pay $4.50 for a rose. So a rose on sale, I'm going to put sale down here, is $4.50. And then a daisy on sale would be $6.50. So what we're going to do is we're going to, let's see here, the total number of roses that we have are 5 roses. We have 3 daisies, and this is going to be $50.80. So that's how much we spent total when they were on regular price. So we're going to take 5 roses and 3 daisies. So we're going to multiply 5 times R on sale. So that's going to be 5 times 450. And then we had 3 daisies. So we're going to take 3 times 650. And let's figure out what that is. So if we go here, menu 15, we're going to put 5 times 450 plus 3 times 650. And then press enter. So it costs $42 to pay for those roses and daisies on sale. And the original price that we paid was $50.80. So how much did we save? So all I got to do is subtract this. So I'm going to go $50.80 is how much we originally paid. And then I'm going to subtract what we paid when they were on sale. So we saved $8.80. That's how much we saved. Now, if you write this, this is 2 points. So even though we didn't do the algebra, we can still get 5 out of 6 points. I will take that every year, every day, every time we take the test. So always go through and look at the word problem. Even if you can't do all of it, there's sometimes are parts that you can do. Get as many points as you can. All right, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. 58. Oh, no, I'm not gonna say my number on the thing here, but you guys know my number. All right. I am going to stop this and share it.